It's very normal. In fact, when I was looking for a job, I was very specific. I wanted this job.
Then what about like this is a preparation room. After from here, kutakuwa na packaging.
So this is a preparation room.
Yeah. Then delivery to the customers.
Yes. We also have a cushion inside. They are not like pressed.
There's a cushion.
Yes, there is a cushion. They sleep in a very comfortable place.
Are you dating?
Yes, I'm dating.
Is he one of the...
No, it's not. And he doesn't know what I do for a living.
Why? You fear telling, exposing yourself?
No, I don't fear. The only problem is you guys fear us.
This is great. How do you feel being here and doing this kind of stuff?
We don't have any feeling. It's just a job.
Hamna noma ba, huyu jamaa Manchester United bwana, mtu bure kabisa huyu.
We have more here. We also have another showroom on the other side.
Wow.
Yes.
But this one looks nice.
Yes, it looks nice.
So beautiful, eh?
Yes.
What about customers? How do you get them? Do they contact you or...
Yes, we market ourselves to hospitals, funeral homes, insurance companies like life insurance companies, the wholesalers, the retailers, everywhere. You just market yourself in any field that you feel like they can be your customer.
Niaje mtu yangu bwana? Hii ndio machine
ya ku drill.
Una drill sasa nini aswa?
Si mkono handle.
This handles here. So ndio sasa unaenda ku drill sasa?
Hapo ndani.
Wacha tuwafuate.
Yes, and we also have a mirror. This is now the last thing we do.
Okay.
Yes, putting the mirror inside.
Just come.
We're also going to have a pillow inside here. I just really wish we had one. I show you. We are also going to put a pillow inside. Their head, our loved one heads are going to be supported. We also put the dresses inside.
Wow.
Yes.
In Swahili we say kuna marehemu, kuna hayati na mwenda zake. So hii ni nani sasa?
Hii sana mwenda zake.
What about marehemu?
Marehemu, also marehemu can be laid here. For hayati, you've stayed in here now. You've been underground for some days. You're now hayati.
Okay. So we go.
The handle is low.
Let me see. This is great one. So kuna measurements, specifications.
Yeah.
Kuiwe kama
Iko tu sawa hivi.
Wow. This is great, man. For how many years? 2 years. So it's ready now for transportation.
Yes, very ready. It's not iko ndani ya house.
This in a house kabisa bana.
Yes.
So ideally ndio zinakuwa final touches.
Yeah. Final touches. I think this one kwa na pillow.
Ndani.
Yes.
There's no problem, utaiona sasa iende ifanyikiwe kabisa.
Yes.
So this is the pillow.
Yes, this is the pillow.
Wow. Hello. Niaje mtu yangu? Wow, this is great. So this one specifically for the head.
Support the head, yes.
Wow, this is great. Sasa basi na kazi nyingi sana bana. Kitambo itoke kwa
ina kazi nyingi.
Kustructure, ujengwe, ipigwe randa, ipigwe nini? Rangi. Wow. So jamaa, msione tu kazi zinafanyika hivi, mnaona mko kwenye msiba kule. Mambo ni mengi sana. There's a lot of work that happens behind the scene. And these are the great people that are doing this kind of work. It hasn't been that easy. So it's all about appreciating the worthy efforts that is happening across the country. But here specifically tupo sehemu za Jericho.